Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of basic financial concepts. Whether you're new to the world of finance or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is perfect for you. So, let's get started. To navigate the world of finance, it's crucial to understand some basic financial concepts. These concepts form the foundation of financial literacy and help you make informed decisions about your money. So, let's explore a few key concepts. First up, we have assets and liabilities. Assets are anything of value that you own, such as cash, investments, property, or even a car. On the other hand, liabilities are debts or obligations you owe, like credit card balances, mortgages, or student loans. Understanding your assets and liabilities is essential for assessing your financial health. Next, let's talk about income and expenses. Income refers to the money you earn, whether it's through your job, investments, or any other source. Expenses, on the other hand, are the money you spend on various items like housing, transportation, groceries, and entertainment. Managing your income and expenses wisely is key to maintaining a balanced budget. Cash flow is another important concept. It's the movement of money into and out of your accounts. Positive cash flow means you have more money coming in than going out, while negative cash flow indicates the opposite. Keeping a positive cash flow is crucial for financial stability and growth. Now let's discuss budgeting. A budget is a financial plan that helps you allocate your income towards different expenses and savings goals. It allows you to track your spending, prioritize your financial goals, and ensure you're living within your means. Creating and sticking to a budget is a fundamental tool for financial success. Lastly, let's touch upon interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money or the return you earn on your investments. Understanding how interest works is vital when managing debts, like loans or credit cards, and when considering investment opportunities. It can significantly impact your financial outcomes. And there you have it. These are just a few basic financial concepts that are essential to grasp. By familiarizing yourself with these concepts, you'll gain a solid foundation for making smarter financial decisions. Thank you all for watching today's video on basic financial concepts. We hope you found it informative and helpful.